classes. As you all know, today was 12th Maths board exam, CBSE board exam, and we are here to talk with the students about the exam. So let's go. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Riya Pandey. I study in class 12th in DPS Vasant Kunj and I am a student of Manocha classes.
Hi, I am Pranita. I am studying in class 12th and I am a Kendra Vidyalaya student.
So, how was your exam today?
It was good. I expected it to be quite tough, but it turned out to be fairly good.
It was brilliant.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So, how much are you expecting?
40 on 40.
Nice, 40 and 40. So, just tell me one thing that what were the materials you used to have this much of confidence?
Okay, so many of the materials were provided by this institute, Manocha classes. They provided us with most important questions booklet, which consists of many questions, like near about 200 and 300 questions, 60 questions from each chapter. Other than this, they provided us with Guru Darpan, Guru Diksha.
There were a lot of type of material like the Guru Diksha and then the MIQs and everything, and then regular practice tests.
Other than this, they were very motivating to us. Our classes would start with a small session of meditation, which actually boosts us up.
So, as soon as you saw your paper, what was your reaction?
I felt very happy that okay, I know this question, I know this question. All the questions which I was saying, I was like, yes, I know this.
So, did you have any strategy today for the exam?
No particular strategy like that, but I just had that thing in mind that I have to complete the paper in time, and I was able to complete it, I think, half an hour before the paper gets over.
So, how was your overall experience in Manocha classes?
It was very good क्योंकि हर बारी जब भी हम क्लास शुरू करते थे एक छोटा सा काउंसलिंग सेशन, एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीच जैसा कुछ, और फिर जिस तरह से हमें पढ़ाया जाता है फ्रेंडली मैनर, बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि टीचर भी हमारे लिए 24/7 अवेलेबल होते हैं. तो और फिर कभी भी हमें ऐसा नहीं लगा कि हम क्या ये क्वेश्चन फिर से पूछ सकते हैं या नहीं. हम जितने बार भी पूछे वो काफ़ी पेशेंस से हमें बताते थे आंसर.
It has been very memorable since I have been studying here since class 9. So the faculty is very good and the material provided here is really helpful, and all what I've learned in maths, the new tricks and shortcuts, is all because of Manocha classes.
So, आपने OMR exam first time दिया. So, how was your experience? वो आपने how did you overcome that fear?
OMR वैसे मैंने पहले भी यूज़ किया ओलंपियाड्स में, पर जो हम ओलंपियाड में OMR यूज़ करते हैं और जो हमें इस बार बोर्ड्स में करना था वो काफ़ी अलग था. तो उसमें हमें अगर आज हमारा एग्ज़ाम था तो फिर 2-3 हफ्ते पहले से ही हमें बहुत सारे टेस्ट सीरीज देने पड़ते थे. हमें OMR शीट्स में ही एक्चुअली स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में बुलाया जाता था ताकि हमें ऐसा लगे कि हाँ, हम सही में स्कूल में जाके ही बोर्ड्स के एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं. तो उस तरह से हमारी OMR शीट्स में भी प्रैक्टिस की गई थी.
So, thank you so much, Pranita, and all the best for your future.
थैंक यू.
Myself Sudhanshu Kumar from Army Public School, Dholapur, and I am a student of Manocha classes.
Hello, my name is Ujasvi. I am in 12th class. I am from Mata Danipur Public School and I am a student of Manocha classes.
Hi, Sudhanshu. How was your experience today?
From the paper was good and it's quite simple as studied, but the people who have not studied, for them the paper was a bit lengthy. It was not difficult.
So, it was not difficult as you
Yes.
said. And what gave you this confidence?
From the practice and the classes of regular classes, attending regular classes, and the last time doubt solving classes were very helpful.
So, how was your exam?
It was quite good.
So, as soon as you saw your paper, what was your first reaction?
I know each and every question of that.
As soon as I saw the paper, I thought that it could be moderately difficult, but then I turned the page and it seems that it's simple.
So, it was taught you before. From where did you practice?
I practiced from the sheets given by Manocha classes and the Guru Diksha and MIQ's questions given by the classes and test from the classes.
All questions are from MIQ at all.
MIQ and Guru Dikshana.
Yeah. All questions are from Manocha stuff.
So, what was the strategy you used to do the exam today?
My today's strategy was that firstly I will do the questions that I can do in one go only. Then after that solving question and that other part.
How much are you expecting?
I'm expecting around 37 and 38 marks.
Very nice. And so this was the first time you gave objective type question.
No, as I have given 3-4 competitive exams,
So it was quite easy for
Yes, ma'am.
you. Okay. So can you please tell me the overall experience in Manocha classes?
Manocha classes is a very good coaching institute. The teachers here are very supportive. The staff is very good.
and the experience is good and the teachers are good. The doubt solving classes are also nice and they are very helpful in solving last minute doubt problems.
So do you recommend other students to join
Yes,
the
ma'am.
classes?
Yes, ma'am.
as well? So thank you so much and all the best for your
Yeah,
exams.
I will of course recommend Manocha classes to everyone.
Thank you so much and all the best.